Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use HSBC mobile banking application. First of all you have to do is open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your phone. Once the App Store has been opened, you have to search SSBC on the search bar and you'll see a bunch of apps. You have to download the application corresponding to your country. For example, if you live in UK, you have to download the UK version or UAE version. For example, if you live in US, you have to download that US version. Once you've downloaded the specific application, all you have to do is click on open. Now the app has been opened. Now you have to enter your username. If you're new to the application, then you have to click on not registered. And then on the next page, you will see confirm your identity. You will need your social security number, your login details, and then you'll be able to use your account. So all you have to do is click on register and take your ATM card or debit card with you. And so you have to remember your associated PIN with it, your email address and phone number too. Then click on register. Then on this page you have to scroll down just a bit and accept all the terms and conditions to create your account. And then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see this page. How do you want to confirm your identity? With your electronic banking number or your bank card number? Pick whatever option suits you the best. Enter the number that's required and that's done. And you have successfully created, and that's how you can use HSBC application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.